chronic teeth grinding, like what is really making it so intense, especially at night or especially during the day? Like what is really make you'll realize that it's mostly a lot of stress. And then now you can ask yourself, like, what can I really do to mitigate this stress or to let go of this stress? That's how you now going deeper and deeper into the problem without even thinking of the medical side first, just really looking at that stress. Because even if you improve even if you manage that stress in your life, of course other areas in your life will improve. And when other areas in your life will improve, it will also mean less stress for you. And the outcome of that will be less teeth grinding, or the frequency of your teeth grinding will go down. So always look at that which you don't want to look.